2021 Acura ILX Release Date, Colors, Features. The 2021 Acura ILX Release Date could be the entry education auto from Honda's high-class office. As Acura's smallest and nearly all cost-effective sedan, it competes using the competitors much like the Audi A3 plus the new Mercedes-Benz A-Class. While the ILX depends on this program of the preceding technological innovation Honda Civic, it truly is nevertheless a recommendable choice for folks committed to acquire a great car. That may be given that with 2021 should come to some freshened design that can bring the ILX with the remainder of Acura's assortment, also all sorts of fruitful safety and driver advice attributes as standard. Considerably, due to a $2,200 price decrease, the ILX compact sedan would be the excellent automobile that combines luxurious and best value. 2021 Acura ILX Redesign. Exterior design. Making use of the change for 2021, the 2021 Acura ILX Release Date is sure to get the treasured rock pentagon grille, converting to the exceptionally very last area of the Acura members of the family to get the treatment plan. Not merely the very best fascia, the ILX's hood and top area are new through your A-pillars ahead of time. The rear of the little premium sedan also gets a nip and tuck, with the allow recipe proprietor moving out of your midsection due to the fender to show the hole create a lower, sportier sensation. The changes job correctly and make the ILX appear to be the rightful modest brother from your TLX that it should be. A-spec styles target a sportier feeling with exclusive 18-inch wheels, darker stainless steel grille, gloss darkish decklid spoiler, and darkened outer sections much like the entrance lamps and tail lights. Upgrading from the premium clip is definitely the technological know-how bundle bargain, that can bring food list with genuine time guests details, a several C rear view camera, Acura Link cellular phone portable mobile app incorporation, together with a sweet-sounding 10 acceleration L's taking business tunes method. The A-spec package could be dedicated to ILX kinds while using premium or technological know-how bundles. ILX A-spec types provide no further perspective. Nonetheless, they actually do increase the amount of fitness pizzazz with bigger size car tires and other exterior and interior physical appearance. Interior design. The ILX's 5 tourist interior is usually incredible for your price. Significant variables combine cozy and perfectly bolstered front side aspect chairs, a great traveling a car or truck location, and different hue options including ebony, new for 2021 gourmet coffee, and ebony and reddish on fitness ILX A-spec variations. But it is obvious the obsolete look in their supplied food list approach and some of the plastic type material sort elements throughout the center space for storage. Base styles have simply a tiny 5 in primary show. You might be more joyful upgrading only one well developed around the premium variation, that may deliver a 2-show installing where the most notable 8- keep track of can connect on the Apple or Android operating system cell phone as being the bottom part component version facilitates weather conditions alternatives, seam specifics, and various other specifics. The ILX's again stop baby car seats get the stingier aspect area smart, no significant jolt introduced this car's small sizes. Nonetheless, even regular trims shortage still finish ventilation oxygen air vents. Usual collapsible rear child car seats enhance the flexibleness of your own trunk's little 12.4 cubic feet of freight location. The 2021 Acura ILX comes in several main trims, fundamental, premium, and technological innovation. Within the most economical Create, the ILX includes a possible moonroof, 10-way power driver's office chair, keyless accessibility, and generate alternative get started, warmed at the start part recliners, increase location climatic conditions deal with, and 17- aluminum alloy wheels. Incorporated also certainly is the Acura Watch variety of safety and driver assist alternatives, see desired features. 2021 Acura ILX engine. Acura's ILX small sedan uses a 2.4-liter 4-hose associated with an 8-price 2-clutch system program transmission. Cellular phone stays from competitors like the Audi A3 and Mercedes A-Class, which use small size turbo engines and 7-amount transmissions. We like the ILX's blend to the refinement and fast vitality transport. Directing wheel fixed paddle shifters appear typical and allow you to commence changes with all the whim. In contrast to its Audi and Mercedes-Benz levels of competition, the ILX is present just with entryways wheel force. At about 34 mpg, the ILX is without question a dynamic end user, but note that Acura implies utilizing the more pricey premium unleaded 91-octane gasoline. 2021 Acura ILX price and release date. The 2021 Acura ILX has a manufacturer's suggested retail store price, MSRP, starting at $26,895, which is a $2,200 minimize in comparison to the helpful merchandise, and indeed definitely makes the ILX a really pleasing determination amid low-cost luxurious sedans. Transferring up to the recommended premium item only nudges the price to $28,645, when a very jam-packed technological design consistently goes across the $30,000 icon at $30,545 scarcely. From competitors similar to the Audi A3, the Acura ILX is really an exceptional discount. The simple truth is, no matter if full of each and every offer, the ILX's $32,545 very best accomplished price is a lot less when compared to starting price from your Audi.